What is up, you guys? My name is Brianna, and for today's video we are going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel, and that is doing a get ready with me for the James Charles casting call. So off camera, I already did my brows as well as prime my lids because, girl, this video has to be 5 minutes or less and every second counts because of it. And the palette that we are going to be using today is the James Charles Artistry palette because, of course, we have to support Sister James in his beautiful collaboration with Morphe. So the first shade that I'm going to be going in with is called B. It is such a beautiful yellow shade. And a little bit about me is that I am 24 years old and I am from Minnesota, and I'm saying it like that because it's gonna snow later and I'm just not ready for it. I don't mind the cold, but like the snow, not my thing. I absolutely hate driving in it. And one fun fact about me is that I am ambidextrous, which means that I can use my right hand and my left hand equally. So I can like draw, I can write, I can do my makeup using either hand. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of You're Kidding, which is the matte red in the palette. And how I discovered that I am obsessed with makeup is kind of like a two-part ordeal. So when I was in 3rd grade, I thought I was so cool with applying my Crayola colored pencils to my eyes and lips as if I was applying makeup. And I know that I did it because I wanted to be like my mother. She used to wear such cute like smoky eyes with like blue eyeshadow. It was so pretty. And I thought it was pretty at that age, so I wanted to wear it too. So I just sit in class and do that, not knowing I could get lead poisoning, and I feel so bad for my mother now knowing that. And I think she just didn't want me to get lead poisoning, so she actually bought me like this little eyeshadow palette. It was kind of like a little flip phone, and it had like silvery grays in it and some purples. I still remember it. I actually wonder if I still have it. And I also had like my little lip gloss. It was like a mood. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Spooky, which is the matte black in the palette, and if you've never used this black eyeshadow before, it is amazing. I highly recommend it. And the other time in my life, though, that really shaped me into loving makeup was when I was in like middle school, like my later years of middle school and my early years of high school. I wanted to be a scene queen. And if you're not familiar with it, it's kind of like an e-boy or e-girl now. So what you do is you wear like skinny jeans and studded belts. You wear really heavy and dark makeup. It kind of has like a little bit more of like a goth style to it. And you wear like fun colored hair. It was like a whole thing. Like, I definitely recommend Google imaging it if you're not familiar with it. But I wanted to be one of those, and I took a lot of influence from like drag queens with like the thick eyelashes and like the really heavy dramatic eye makeup looks. And I feel like having that portion of my life and having like that style influence really affected how I do my makeup now and what I really enjoy. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Escape, and how I got started on YouTube is kind of a thing. So if you're new to my channel, I have a Bachelor of Science in Business Management with a minor in Business Administration, and I decided my degree about my sophomore year of college after really wanting an art major, but I decided to do business because I had some things happen in my life and I just couldn't decide if I actually wanted to go into art. So I picked the most like generic thing that I thought I could get a job in, which was business, and I just kind of ran with it. And then fast forward in my life, I graduated college and I got myself a career job, and my career job was not creative. It was very number oriented. And when I get home from work, I was always like, there's just something missing in my life. I needed to like unleash my creativity in a way. And I felt like, you know what, why not do YouTube? I have wanted to do it for years. I always had so many people ask me how to do my makeup and to do tutorials. And I just thought it was like the most perfect opportunity. So I bought myself a camera. I talked with my parents and my boyfriend. I was like, is this dumb? And they're like, no, why is that dumb? And then I just started sitting down and filming videos for you guys, and then now here's where I'm at. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Here For It out of the Morphe Such a Gem palette because, girl, I wanted some purple sparkle with this look. But what I feel that I can bring to the beauty community is just re-inspiring people with their love of makeup. I hear it all the time where people are like, man, I am bored with makeup, I'm over it, I'm uninspired, and I want people to be able to come to my channel and just regain their passion for it. You know, I want to try different color combinations, different styles, and different techniques where you guys feel inspired to do them as well. So now I'm just going to go in with highlight because, girl, who doesn't like a good highlighter? And also I did have to do some of my face off camera, otherwise I would not be able to condense this down to 5 minutes. And I just wanted to say that if I was given the opportunity to work with James, which, oh my gosh, that would be a dream. I think he's just so cute and so funny, and I think he'd be so much fun to be around. But if I was given the opportunity, I want to be a light in the community because I feel like right now the beauty community is just really dark. It's full of hate and drama, and it's just not what it used to be when I fell in love with it. And I just want to bring a little bit more light and positivity to it, and I feel like I could really make a difference. But yeah, so here's the finished look, and I just want to say thank you again to James Charles for the opportunity to apply to your casting call. Seriously, it would be a dream if I was able to work with you. Anywho, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button down below and gave this video a like. And also, if you'd like to check me out on Instagram, my Instagram account is @lethal_kitten. And also on Instagram, I will have a full tutorial with this look over on there if you'd like to check it out. But anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and until next time, bye!